Immobiliser Fit, this is a 2023 UX350 with a Starline Pro, protected by us at Immobiliser Fit. So if a thief done a relay attack on this key, tried to start the vehicle up, as you'll see the ignition's going to power up, but they're unable to drive it away, the system doesn't go to ready, and they can't put it in gear. As you can see, the vehicle's not starting. So what the customer has to do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, so they get all their lights on, then go through a discrete push sequence on the factory buttons. Hear a disarm tone, foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, and you'll see it goes to ready. Also, this compared to a phone, so if we just turn the Bluetooth on this connected phone, next time they hop in the vehicle, they don't need to go through the push sequence, they have to wait, have the ignition on, just simply hop in, fire the vehicle up straight away. Goes to ready, we hear the disarm tone, and they can drive off, put it in gear, vehicle goes into gear, as you can see, and they're able to drive it away. This is the Starline Pro, goes through a push sequence using factory buttons on the vehicle. Can also be paired to up to 5 phones. Starline Pro, this is a 2023 UX350h. Give us a call to get your vehicle secure. Thanks for watching.